Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Please note that this comparison reflects my personal experiences with both banks. Choosing between JPMorgan Chase and Bank of America for your personal or business finances requires careful consideration of several key factors. These include the types of accounts offered, associated fees, the convenience of branch and ATM access, the quality of digital banking tools, and the level of customer service provided. Both are prominent U.S. banking institutions with a wide array of products and services, so the better choice ultimately hinges on your specific financial needs and priorities. JPMorgan Chase distinguishes itself through its diverse credit card offerings, particularly its premium travel rewards cards and attractive sign-up bonuses. Furthermore, Chase excels in the realm of business banking, providing a comprehensive suite of services encompassing checking accounts, credit options, and merchant services, making it a compelling choice for entrepreneurs and small business owners. Chase's extensive network of branches and 24/7 customer support ensures assistance is readily available whenever needed. Moreover, Chase's mobile app and online banking platform are highly regarded for their user-friendly design and robust functionality. Bank of America, on the other hand, is renowned for its preferred rewards program. This program provides loyal customers with valuable perks like waived fees, increased interest rates on savings accounts, and exclusive credit card benefits. This program is especially advantageous for customers who maintain substantial balances across their checking, savings, and investment accounts. Bank of America also boasts a wide selection of mortgage and home equity products, making it a strong contender for individuals seeking to consolidate their financial relationships under one institution. Their mobile banking app and online portal are intuitive and feature-rich, offering valuable budgeting tools and financial insights. They also integrate innovative features through partnerships, such as Erica, their AI-powered virtual assistant. In terms of accessibility, both banks maintain extensive branch and ATM networks throughout the United States, although the specific availability can differ depending on your region. Fees and minimum balance requirements are relatively comparable between the two, and both offer avenues for avoiding monthly maintenance fees, typically through direct deposits, maintaining minimum balances, or linking accounts. Customer service experiences can vary, but both institutions offer comprehensive support through phone, online chat, and in-person branch visits. Ultimately, the optimal choice depends on your individual needs. If you prioritize premium credit card rewards, comprehensive business banking solutions, and a seamless digital banking experience, Chase might be the more suitable option. Conversely, if you value a robust loyalty rewards program, a diverse range of personal financial solutions, and integrated benefits, Bank of America could be a better fit. Carefully evaluate your unique financial circumstances and long-term goals before making your final decision.